So the next thing we're gonna do is a lateral chest. So I'm gonna start by switching my IR from crosswise to lengthwise. That's okay. And then make sure my marker sticks on there. All right, Diana, what I'm gonna have you do is turn and face me with that left shoulder closest to the board, just like that. I'm gonna have you put your arms up above your head and bring your elbows as close as you can together. Yep, just like that. And I'm gonna lower the tube just a little bit, about an inch. And then I'm gonna lower my bucky along with that. Perfect. And I wanna make sure that there's light behind her shoulders. So there should be a little bit of light. So I'm just gonna go ahead and have her lean forward just a little bit, right there. And then a slight rotation that way. And that looks pretty straight. So I'm gonna shield her again. And then that central ray is again entering at T7 for this projection. So what I'm gonna do next is change my technique. Since we're going from a PA to a lateral, I'm gonna double what I had before. So I'll probably do 120 at about 6 mass. So same breathing technique. So Diana, go ahead and take a big deep breath in, blow it out. Another big deep breath and hold, X-ray, beep, and relax. So here we have our lateral chest x-ray, and we're just looking at a few criteria to make sure we have a proper image. The first would be that the arm or soft tissues is not overlapping the superior lung field, which we can see right here that our arms are nice and high. The second is that we can see the costophrenic angles and the lower apices of the lungs. So we have nice sharp costophrenic angles here, lower apices of the lungs right here. Next, we want to make sure that we can see the hilum in its appropriate center of the radiograph. So we can see the hilum right about in this area here. And finally, we want to make sure that our posterior ribs are superimposed. So that would show that there's no rotation. And if we look right here, we can see that there's good superimposition there of the posterior ribs. So no rotation here.